Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if you cannot receive calls on Edge 90 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold the power button and volume up button. And you will see restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. After restarting, you will check your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. After click on notifications, scroll down and click on do not disturb. So if you want to fix this problem, so turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, so click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on reset network setting. After click on reset network setting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if you cannot receive calls on Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.